Hey guys, this is Second 6D, and today we're paving the track today, and we're going to be riding Red Racer right here, which is the lawnmower that's racing one. That's Mrs. Gray, because she packs the track and she's slow. That was fine. So, yeah, we're gonna ride that one, I guess. So, let me put you guys on my head. It's gonna be a little shaky, so sorry about that. There you go. Yeah, you guys should be good. Okay. Unless you want to, you should probably move it real quick. He's gonna move Mrs. Gray, because that's the racetrack right here.
You want me to back it up against the tree?
Sure. We're gonna hop on Red Racer right there.
You gonna tell them the sponsors?
We got sponsors: Energizer, which is a battery starter, and then Super Starter, which is another battery starter, which is a battery. And then there's Tide, Cameron Norris, which is Zach's girlfriend. Then we have Dixon Daycare, which is a friend of his, and then we have GoPro sponsoring, which he wrote a little camera. That's why it's like that in MB2 Racing, which they're not actually sponsoring us. We just pretend like it's sponsoring us. Then we have another one back here, which is Hardware Hank, and then we have Slip My Crate on the back, because he wrote that when I'm in first, because you know that. And then we have the Racers, which is Zach Day and Alex Jachens, and then we have 6D right there, which is the number for it. And then, yeah, go ahead and hop off. So I'm going to be racing this one today, for a little bit at least. Let's hope that I don't get yelled at by the neighbors or something like that. We probably won't, though.
I made up a new towing thing. Virtual.
True.
For the bus to the...
Yeah, and then we can tow it. Just hope that, let's,
As long as it can go.
yeah, let's just hope that it doesn't snap.
The snap is coming up right at my face.
And mine. Both of ours. What?
Put up the speed.
I just did that.
Fire back up.
Fire it back up. So why I put it is that sometimes it doesn't want to, this lawnmower doesn't want to go in neutral, because this one I found off the side of the road, and that one I got for 300 bucks. And so once in a while this one doesn't want to go. So that's why it's like that. Let me tighten you guys up real quick. Okay, so there. And that's why sometimes, because sometimes the brakes don't really work that well, so I gotta shut it off. So yeah, let's get to racing. Yes. So, I'm going to show you what happened down over there. So, I was going around, I ran over this, and I hit with the back right tire. I hit it with the tree, and my other tire scooted over, and then that's why it kind of went like that. You can kind of see where I hit it. Yeah, right there. Okay, real quick. Right there. Sorry about that. That's where I hit it with the hit it. So yeah, and then we're gonna get back to it soon. So, got anything to say?
All I know is this thing is fast.
Yeah, it is pretty fast. When you're like on it, like riding it, it's fast. But yeah.
Tell them the biggest sponsor.
Biggest sponsor? The big sponsor on this lawnmower is Dixon Daycare. So yeah. And Yard Machines and GoPro and MB2 Raceway. So those are some of the good sponsors that are on here. And then you can't forget his girlfriend. So yeah, that's the first best. So yeah, we're gonna keep on racing, I guess. So you want to pack the track again or not?
I want to race it this time.
Okay. Put this GoPro on your head. We're gonna put the GoPro on his head, so then he can race and have the GoPro.
I can't push this in very well.
I have to help him push this in because he can't do it well. Push it in. Ah. Okay. Sorry about that. Wait, sorry. Trying to get it where you can see the lawnmower and the grass. So that's good right there. Let's refill it because I think it's out of gas. I didn't put too much gas in it, and I was riding it for a little while. I believe the gas is out. Yeah. The rest of the gas goes in here.
How full is the other one?
Full enough because I just mowed this whole lawn. It's still running. You know where I put the cap now? Watch. Whenever I go to refill it, that's where I put the cap. So, that's a good way to put it.
Nope, I shut it off.
What?
Cause. Alright guys, so we're gonna do a walk around real quick, and so let's do a walk around. Of course we gotta do the yard machines, do Red Racer 60, some more sponsors, 60 right there, Alex Tensions, exactly, and of course we got the Harbor Hank, which you forgot that one time.
I didn't forget it.
Oh yeah. Then we got the battery sitting right there.
Energizer, which is a battery in that one, and then over
Yep,
here is,
Energizer.
you'll be able to see. And then
Yep.
we got 13.5 horsepower is what it says. Bridges and Nation. I don't know what that is, but okay. And then there's supposed to be a carburetor in here, but I never put the carburetor on because, you know me, I don't really care about the carburetor putting on. Yeah, it overheats quicker, but who cares? Anyways, I don't really care if this engine blows up because I have another lawnmower. That's where the carburetor's supposed to go. You can see the smoke coming out. Show them the smoke. You can see the smoke coming out. That's how hot it is because I don't have a carburetor in it. Well, that's what some other person said, but yeah, there's smoke coming out of there. And if you put water on that exhaust, it's going away quick. So yeah. So the model, let's see the model real quick. I'll show you the model real quick. Just gotta tighten down this carburetor thing. The model is 2AR787 or 07, and then the type is 111G slash 31 E1, and then I'll show you on this other side. There's the code, which is 030500270. So if you're wondering about that, then that's it. So bye guys. Psycho 6D here.